Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another Filmmaking 101. My name is Jackson Borgon, and today we're going to be talking about audio. Audio is something that I realized that I don't pay enough attention to. Though I think it is very important to pretty much anything in any video or film that you do. First, I'm going to talk about what microphones that you can use to make your audio sound a little better. Then I'm going to talk about the audio terms that are used in film and what they mean. And then I'm going to talk with some brief notes on audio mixing. So first of all, let's talk about the microphones. Right here I have a Yeti microphone that you can use if you hook it up to a computer, and it can pick up audio pretty alright. Other condenser microphones are on Amazon, and you can buy them from literally anywhere. Another type of microphone that you can use is a singing microphone, a normal type of Yamaha microphone that you can just find at a concert. This is passable if you can't afford a condenser microphone, because those microphones cost a lot less. Another type of mic you could use is a boom shot mic, though I don't have any. A boom shot mic is basically a microphone put on top of the camera, and is only one direction towards the person that is needing to talk. They're really good, but they are hard to come by unless you buy them off of Amazon. Another type of microphone is the overhand mic, and that's the mic that almost everyone knows. Basically, it's a microphone that is held over the head like this. Of course, it's not held with a hand, it's held with a mic crane. Also, usually, it is not a Yeti microphone. It is a more expensive type of mic that is omnidirectional, and they're used in movies a lot of the times, and I don't suggest buying them for YouTube videos, but buy them for film. Final mic that I want to talk about is the Lavalier Mic. The Lavalier Mic basically is connected to the camera, and it's either wireless or wired. Usually it's wireless nowadays. You put it on your pants and under your shirt, and it will be right here. That's enough about all of the microphones that you can use for really good audio. Other than, of course, the internal mic in a camera, but I suggest not using that because they usually aren't that good. Let's talk a little bit about some sound terms and audio terms that you can maybe use for further videos. Well, first up there's Foley, which is basically creating any sound effect needed in a film. Usually in film and video, people only catch their voice, which is the most needed part. And in order for sounds and other background noises not to be in the back, people will make sure that only the voice is picked up, which is where Foley artists come in to add the extra sound effects to make the voice sound crisp and the sound effects sound great. Next, I want to talk about natural sound, which basically is a sound that is used all around you. Another sound term that I want to talk about is sound design and sound editing. Now, I wanted to make a clarification. Sound design and sound editing is the same exact thing. Sound designers are just people that usually worked on Foley, but they're also the people that usually do sound effect editing. Sound editors are basically the same thing as sound designers, they just make sure that everything is mixed. In other words, if you're a Foley artist, you're a sound designer. If you are an audio mixer, you're a sound editor. Audio mixing is extremely important, especially for YouTube videos. In YouTube, the best decibel level for everyone's ears is 12. Not only does it allow your voice to be picked up, and it usually doesn't distort it, but it is the best for headphone users. And most people watch YouTube on their headphones and not out of the speaker of their phone. Sound mixing and sound editing is very important to any film or any video that you do. If you don't want people to hear the background music as much, you're going to lower it down to probably -24 or -12. If you want your voice to be heard more, you're going to put it up to 12. If you want people to hear the background more, you're going to lower your voice and make the background really loud. There's not much to say about audio, other than that it's important and that there is a lot to it. And that's why most of the time there are audio experts on pretty much everything when it comes to audio. That's all I had today for Filmmaking 101. This was probably a shorter episode because audio is something that I don't know that much about, and I've already stated that I don't pay attention to as much as I probably should. With that said, I thank you all for watching this video. My name is Jackson Borgon. This has been Filmmaking 101, and I'll see you in the next episode.